Hey guys, it's me, Gordon from GW and today I'm going to get to spank a Shelby GT500 around this racetrack. Come on, let's do it. Okay guys, so if you watch GW, you'll be aware that I've mentioned a few times that I was coming up to my 40th birthday, but I'm now actually 40 and my wife bought me an amazing present, which is this. It's a car experience day. I don't know about you, I love motors. But particularly, my favourite one of all time is the Shelby GT500. If you've seen the film Gone in 60 Seconds with Nicolas Cage, it's that motor there, Eleanor.
There she is. Yep. There's Eleanor.
It's a 1967 fastback Shelby GT500. It's a beautiful, beautiful car, and today I'm going to get to drive it around what used to be the Top Gear test track for 5 laps, which is about 9 miles, something like that. So it's going to be, there's an atom behind me, look at that, a little atom. That thing is probably the fastest car on the track around here. There's all sorts of amazing vehicles. So I'm not sure how much footage we're going to be able to get today of me spinning round. I should be able to get a few little close-ups of the car. So we'll just see how we get on, what the video looks like. But I'm going to have an amazing time, I hope. So one of the first things is heading out on the track in a little BMW car. I'm just about to do that. They sort of call it a sighting lap, and so we just go around the track just to kind of get an idea of where we're going to go, where the bends are, where the chicanes are, where we need to put throttle down.
Use the camera to right, which we call an apex or a clipping point, yeah? You know, to my right hand will never leave that position from 3 o'clock. I'm just going to pull over to right, let this Lamborghini through. Get up. Yeah, sorry, man. Any questions on that?
No.
All happy?
That's brilliant, thank you.
Cool.
Thank you. All right, so this is Eleanor. We're going to head out for 9 laps with this young man here. So really looking forward to it. Let's do it. So we're in the beast. Really looking forward to this. It's going to be amazing. What an amazing 40th birthday present. Don't think we're going to get any footage of me driving around. Here we go.
Good.